So I have new headlights for the FL5 Civic, and you might be thinking, why are you gonna change your headlights? You have the JDM style headlights, right? Those are aftermarket JDM style. These are my OEM left-hand drive converted with the clear corners. Now my beam pattern is gonna be proper, and actually this headlight, I broke the adjustment screw. So when I accelerate, it goes up to the sky, and when I press on the brake, it goes down to the floor.
So I've come to the conclusion.
Now I'm gonna have my OEM headlight, just the clear converted, so it's gonna be nice. So I'm gonna get this swapped out, and it looks so much cleaner. I just noticed this lens looks a little bit faded, so it's gonna make the car look a little bit newer. And remember, if you have an 11th gen and you want to get the clear corners, you can DM me or you can just book it on the website. This is a service that me and Noah from Hybrid Retrofits are now offering. Your OEM amber corners, we can convert them. You just have to book it, send in your headlights, and we'll send it right back to you with the clear corners. First step is gonna be getting this bumper removed and then getting the brackets transferred from the aftermarket headlight back to my OEM headlight.
Let me get closer to the light. Please strike me thunder.
This guy takes off headlights, takes off 6 screws, only finds 3. Can't remember how many screws the headlights.
So the next step is
Lose the screws.
transfer. You gotta transfer the brackets, or you don't have to transfer the brackets. Or put back the brackets.
Whoever's touching the headlights.
So let me put back my brackets with however many screws I find. Both screws. I'm gonna stop the shit over for that. That's why there's only 3 out of the 6.
Can't let this guy do anything by himself.
Making sense now.
He was gonna put a bolt here
No,
and then
you put the other bracket on.
put another bolt on top of the bolt. So he was gonna have a bolt go on top of here, on top of that. Who man is this? So at least I didn't want to tell you guys what he's putting the chrome T's on his car. Then you got this jalopy and then this. You could talk about the fake headlights you have over there.
I can't. I almost wanted to, but I can't. The headlight back, pretty simple. Just plug it in, put back the little piece, and it kind of just slides in, back in place, like any other headlight.
These look so much better.
Nice tight.
Voila.
So both lights are on. So now what I'm gonna do is, when I originally put on these headlights like 2 years ago, I unclipped this and I never fixed it because I never took the bumper back off. So I'm finally gonna be able to fix this gap that I ruined years and years ago. So I fixed that gap. You can see now it's even as this one. You know it's gonna be a good install when all the hardware you took out is going back in. Didn't miss not even one. Yes, I like this a lot better. I think because I got used to the other one, so I got bored of them. But I like this a lot better. One, because they're a little bit different, unique from the JDM OEMs, because the JDM headlights don't have a bulb here. So we do offer both options. If you wanna eliminate this light here and just have it like the JDM one when there's no light and it's just the headlight and the blinker, we can do that. But on this set, since I already had the no light on the side, I wanted to have the amber. I do like the contrast that it has, so I'm gonna run it like that. I think it looks super good. And now you don't gotta pay $3,000 for the JDM headlights. Definitely a must mod in my opinion. I did that mod when I first got my Top R in 2023. I knew about these headlights, about the JDM ones, and I needed that. I did that ASAP. I literally did it a couple months into owning the car because I prefer how the clear reflector looks. Now, I mean, you don't have to pay as much as I did. Even though mine were aftermarket, they were still a lot more expensive than doing the conversion. So, like I said, if you want to do the conversion for your car, hit me up, or you could just book it on the website. It's a lot easier that way, and get it done.